April is Minority Health Month, and in Guilford County, local leaders are working to tackle ongoing health disparities. This Saturday, the TCC Community Health Foundation is hosting a community activation in High Point focused on prevention, awareness, and action. And joining me now is Candace James, the founder of the TCC Community Health Foundation, along with Carlvina Foster with the Carl Chavis Memorial YMCA. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us so bright and early this morning. Blessed to have you. Yes. So let's talk about the TCC Community Health Foundation. So Candace, I know that you launched this foundation about 2 years ago. Give us some background for folks who aren't familiar, and then also talk about your Movement to Medicine initiative.
Okay. So TCC, yes, started almost 2.5 years ago. We were here for our inaugural Movement is Medicine clinic just 2 years ago. And so we are working really actively to close the gaps in the health inequities that exist in our community. Guilford County has some health disparities that need to be addressed, and so TCC works to get into the community, share those resources, provide education and access and empowerment to the community.
Why is this kind of work needed so much or very important for Guilford County?
Well, this work is very important for Guilford County because of the health inequities that extend across all healthcare systems in our county. When you look at maternal health, when you look at infant mortality, when you look at heart disease and diabetes, these are things that impact the health and well-being of African Americans across our county. So we need a call to action. We need people to be aware, and we need people to know what resources are here and how they can get in the community and make a difference and impact these social ills in our community.
Absolutely.
And talking about some of the action that can take place and resources, you all are holding an event this Saturday, and it's filled with so many activities. You got one of my favorite, kickboxing. I love to kickbox. Talk about some of the stuff people can expect and what you want the community to take away from this event.
Yes. So in addition to the Carl Chavis YMCA and TCC, the High Point NAACP is also a partner. And so that morning we will have cardio kickboxing, as you just said. We will also have mindfulness, which is extremely important to mental health outcomes. And so we'll have a mindfulness class. And we have Know Your Numbers, which is also important. Know where you are so that you can grow, right, and get to where you need to be. And so we will have someone doing blood pressure checks, blood sugar checks, and a BMI analysis, alongside a blood drive for sickle cell patients. We really want to rally around that because that is also something that is disproportionately impacted specifically for Black and brown individuals. So we'll have the blood drive. And so it's a holistic wellness experience. We want the community to come out and join us, know your numbers, move more.
It's so important to know those numbers because if you don't know, you could be going through life having issues that could have been addressed earlier. How do events like this help move the needle when it comes to addressing these health disparities?
But events in our community really, number one, bring awareness. You know, you get people in and you tell them about resources, but more importantly, you bring attention to health issues that are impacting their bodies. You know, some days you wake up, you don't feel good, you don't know what's wrong, but when you come to events like this, you have the opportunity to go from station to station, to meet different health providers, to participate in different activities, to help you at least know that there are resources out here and where to find resources.
And I will say in underserved communities, there is not only systems in place and barriers in place that prevent people from walking in their true wellness, right? But we want to overcome those and invite them into this space. And so we're excited to be able to do that this weekend in this way.
Some wonderful work that you all are doing. I love seeing some of the photos of your past events. For anyone watching at home right now that wants to start their health journey, that wants to get started today, what would you recommend that they do?
Just start. Just start. Don't think about it. Don't think too much in detail. Join us tomorrow. That would be great. Come out and join us tomorrow, but just start, right? We have to start somewhere. We get one temple. We get one opportunity to thrive, right? We don't get any do-overs. And so just start wherever you are was my best feedback for the community.
I want to thank you ladies so much for joining us this morning. Did you want to add something too?
Can I add
Yeah.
another event?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So in addition to the event that Carl Chavis that we're having at Carl Chavis Movement is Medicine, because it is Minority Health month that we are also participating in an event sponsored by Black Pearl Society. It's a call to action that is targeting women's health here.
Black mothers
here,
maternal health.
and it is a call to action, and it is a walk, and it starts at 12 a.m. and it starts at 12 p.m. I'm sorry, North Elm and Tankersley here in Greensboro. So we're inviting people to come out and be a part of that. And it's also education, but it's a rally and it's a call to action on maternal health here in Greensboro.
So we'll leave one event and go to the next.
Absolutely. We'll make sure to get the information on that event as well on our website. The Movement is Medicine event is this Saturday at the Carl Chavis Memorial YMCA in High Point. Activities kick off at 9 a.m. For more details on how to register, just look for the story up on our website, WFNYnews2.com.